I reckon the glass is the makeup. Makes the building look pretty and makes the building stand out.
We've just completed a spiral staircase and we've got this curved glass going around the inside. So as you're walking out the stairway and then you look and there's this curved glass coming around meeting you, and it's just spectacular.
You know, it's just not windows, these showers, splashbacks, skylights, floors. There's a lot of things glass is used in that you get to do.
What makes my job more fun and what I like coming to work is you have to have the right team. Once you have the right team, the job goes smoothly.
Been in business for 17 years now and glazing in total for 30 years. My journey started leaving high school, going into multi-wood carving. After doing that for a little bit, I went into the city, applied for a job as a glazier. There was an apprenticeship glazing job available. That's how I fell into it, straight out of school, into a bit of a course, followed up with employment into an apprenticeship.
The BCITO support that we've had with Evan has been fantastic. Really good, clear communication, comes in, he gets on really well with the guys. And then I also have a catch up with Evan and we go through it. And then from there I formulate a bit of a plan to make sure we're moving the guys around to the work that's required to help them grow.
I'll be honest, I struggled at the start. For the first 2-3 months I was struggling and I was a bit too shy to approach Evan. Oh, I'm stuck here. Until he approached me, oh, are you okay? How come you're not writing your theory and all that? You're just uploading photos. And then I just told him directly, oh, I struggle with theory. And he goes, oh no, if you just do a video, you show me how I've done it, and the step-by-steps. And then he helped me a lot, to be honest.
The support I get from BCIT is pretty good. The app's really easy to use, easy to navigate and upload photos and that. And then just write a quick little brief about what you did and just upload it.
I think getting a qualification that is recognised through such an organisation as BCITO is really important. I'd say absolutely give it a go.
There's a lot you can learn. There's never, you can't say, oh, I've learned everything.
The benefits for an apprentice to become qualified in glass and glazing would secure their future and career moving forward and eventually working for themselves, running their own companies.
Just try it out and see if you like it or not.
There's always something different. We're always seeing a new challenge. So enjoyable.